So we think we just found a good one. So today what we're going to do is we're going to give our local district ranger office a call and get ourselves a Christmas tree permit. Hi there, calling to go ahead and pay for a Christmas tree permit.
Yes, just do one.
Yes, please.
They're $15. We'll take your information and mail it to you.
All right.
Today's mail. Your first name?
First name's Eric, E-R-I-C.
All right, very good, Eric. We'll get it today's mail for you.
All right, we appreciate it. You have a good one.
Yep, you get a couple of maps and an instruction sheet with it. All right, thank you.
Thank you. Looking forward to it. So easy process. We just gave them a call, set up payment, and they processed it right there. They're going to get it mailed out to us today. We will see how quick the turnaround is. I assume Cave Creek to Phoenix. We'll probably be seeing that mail tomorrow, being that it's a weekday. Looking forward to getting that map so we can figure out where we're going to go get our tree. All right, well, it's Thursday morning at 8:30 and we are heading north up the 87 to Payson. We're going just below the rim to the Geronimo Estates area to try and find the mysterious blue spruce. We are looking to do a 8-foot tree because in my living room we have 8-foot ceilings. If we had taller ceilings, I'm sure we'd do a bigger tree, but 8-foot bed, 8-foot tree, 8-foot ceilings, sounds about right. So we've got everything we need. The permit comes with a map and instructions. That way everyone's well informed on the rules and what kind of trees you can cut and where you can cut.
Flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Show me hope and glory, write us a different story.
You crazy.
And I'll be
Is that a ladder or a tree?
Christmas night.
I think it's a ladder. It's one of the old mining ladders. They climb up there and mine gold.
A time to be cheerful and joyful, but baby, you
Aaron, good dude. Now you need me to pass you the chainsaw? No.
This guy here is Nathan. He was the quiet one in school. He never talked much, ever sat in the back of the class.
So we're finally starting to see a little bit more of what we want. Looks like some spruces, but some of them are decent. Like that one.
My only wish this year.
So we think we just found a good one. This one's sitting here by the road, which is surprising. Looks exactly about 10 feet tall. We'll measure it and double check. No major flat sides. It's pretty fluffy.
Dude, that's not bad. Pretty much 8 foot. Kind of just right there.
So it's looking like a 10-foot tree. It's not dry enough that needles are just pulling straight off. Yeah, go Kyle. Oh, you know what? That tree's too big. Put it back. Just uncut it. Yep. And hit the power inverter. And boom, it's Christmas. Taylor, you want your burger? Look at that yummy. Oh, gonna go eat over there? All right, well, we're headed on our way home. We've got the tree loaded up in the back. Everything went smoothly and we had no issues. I'd say as far as a day trip goes, it's as nice as it gets. Well, we're back in Phoenix and we're on Shea Boulevard. And just the opposite direction, we saw Down to Mob cruising, heading east, and we flipped the bitch. We floored it, tried to catch up to him, but man, he must have been mobbing. He lost us. Hopefully we'll find him again. We know he's local.
We'll mob a little harder.
Yeah, we'll mob harder next time.